Welcome back, gamers. Frustrated with your favorite game crashing unexpectedly? Don't worry. Today, we'll tackle the issue of how to fix Roblox crashing on Kindle Fire 7, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Roblox is a creative platform adored by millions, but sometimes technical issues can get in the way. With our step-by-step guide, you'll be back in the game in no time. Step 1. Check for system updates. First, let's ensure your Kindle Fire 7 is up to date. Outdated software can often lead to app instability. To check for updates, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on Settings and select Device Options, then tap System Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your device updated helps maintain compatibility with the latest apps and fixes security issues, potentially resolving a crashing problem altogether. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Next, we'll clear Roblox's cache and data. Cached data can sometimes be corrupted and cause apps to crash. Go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Find and select Roblox from the list, then tap Storage. You'll see options to clear data and cache. Start by selecting Clear Cache. If the issue persists, you can choose Clear Data, but remember, this will reset your app and remove any saved credentials or preferences, so use this option carefully. Step 3. Free up storage space. Is your Kindle Fire 7 running low on storage space? Low storage can lead to app crashes. To free up space, return to Settings and navigate to Storage. Review the used space and consider uninstalling unneeded apps, deleting old files, or transferring data to a cloud service. Ensure you have ample free space to host Roblox and all its updates smoothly. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox. If the above steps haven't solved the issue, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can refresh app components that might have become corrupt. To uninstall, press and hold the Roblox app icon on your home screen, then select Uninstall. Once removed, visit the Amazon App Store, search for Roblox, and reinstall it. After installation, open the app to see if it functions correctly. Step 5. Verify network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Roblox. Ensure your Kindle Fire 7 is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi net. Navigate to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and confirm you're connected to a network with good signal strength. If not, move closer to your router or try connecting to a different network. Restarting your router can also help improve connectivity issues, ensuring a smoother gameplay experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should resolve the issue of Roblox crashing on Kindle Fire 7. Keep your system updated, clear app caches, manage your storage, and ensure a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted gaming adventure. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with a few tweaks, you're well equipped to handle most hiccups. Get back out there, build, explore, and have fun in the world of Roblox. Happy gaming.